G'day. Well, I should have made this video some time ago because I've been asked many times over quite some time about our home solar and battery setup and how we use it to charge our cars, and also how it works when the grid's down and we still have solar and can still charge the cars. Firstly, on our roof, 9.6 kilowatt hours of solar panels up there, 30 panels each one producing a max of 320 watts, so 9.6 kilowatt max. They are LG solar panels. LG Neon 2s, I think they're called. When LG, a bit more expensive because they're LG, they're a well-known brand, and they're probably going to be around for quite some time to honour their 25-year production warranty, which was peace of mind right there. Anyway, power from those solar panels comes into these two inverters here, solar edge inverters. This one is making 824 watts at the moment. This one is making 600 watts because it's a partly cloudy day outside at the moment. So normally this time of day that would make about 4 or 5 kilowatts, that would make about 1. So yeah, the power from those solar panels then goes into what we have, the Tesla gateway. That's the tricky bit. That's where all the magic happens. So what the gateway does is take the solar power, sends power from the gateway to our fuse box, which then runs a house, which at the moment is drawing about 1 kilowatt. The excess power then goes into these two power walls here. One here, and our second one up here. 13.5 kilowatt hours each of storage, 27 total. Now, by about midday-ish this time of year, they'll be full. Or through summer, they'll fill up about 10 o'clock in the morning. In winter, they don't quite fill up when we take grid power. But anyway, get to that later. So once they're full, that, say, 6 kilowatts produced by solar goes into the gateway, 5 kilowatts goes to the grid, and the 1 kilowatt still runs the house. Now, what is tricky is if there's a blackout outside, we can still make the solar, because what the gateway does is pretend to be the grid for the house. So that solar power is still coming out of our inverters into the gateway, directed into the house. It will isolate the grid, so line workers out there fixing the power lines don't get electrocuted from our solar going into the grid. Because our car charger here and our iMove charger over here is wired in the house circuit, we can still use that solar power to charge the batteries and charge the cars even when the grid's down. Once the grid comes back up, the gateway notices that and then starts redirecting power over to or from the grid as it's needed. So that's how we charge cars, and our solar still works when the grid is down, and how our battery system works. So that's pretty much it. That's how our solar system and batteries can still maintain the charge of the cars and the house even when the grid is down. When the sun goes down, you're no longer making solar out of these. So what the gateway does then is realise there's no more solar input. So we'll then draw power from your power walls. And it will then redirect the power from the power walls through the gateway to your house. It means you can run your car, you can still cook your dinner, watch TV, all that sort of stuff. Or if you're just price shifting basically, you can charge these up at cheap solar energy for free. And then you can drain these batteries down during the peak periods over in the evening. And at night, off peak, start drawing back off the grid again. So there. So that is a basic, simple rundown of how we still use solar, batteries, and charge our cars even when the grid power's out. Now, we're lucky enough with this storage during summer months, like probably 5 months of the year, we can pretty much be off grid all day because these are filled up at midday, export to the grid. So you have it, quick rundown on our solar system and batteries, our two power walls, solar system, and our EV charging in the corner there. So if you've got any questions, feel free to ask, comment below, or hit me up on Twitter even. Yeah, and I'll try to answer any questions you got. Maybe even follow up with another video. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Say hi to my magpie friends out there, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.